those for all the women we've met along the way. Beautiful strangers, encounters, those who never forget, even if it's just for a moment. Listen to this, it's for you, it's for you. I dedicate these words to all the women we've loved. Those secret moments when time was enough. The ones we barely meet, then fate pulls apart, like shooting stars, leaving scars on the heart. To the one I glimpsed out a window for a while, her fleeting smile, magic that lights up a mile. Her slender silhouette now etched in my mind, a spark in the night, but she's lost in the blind. Oh, you beautiful strangers, you haunted me. In my dreams and my thoughts, you will always be. So fleeting, so light yet deeply profound. Forever in my heart, my beautiful stranger. To the travel companion, her eyes are landscapes. She shortens the road and erases all heartache. We share silent moments, but understand it all. She steps off the train and I'm left in free fall. To the ones already taken, who live with no flame, beside a man who loves them wrong without a name. I see in their eyes that sadness they hide, a future on pause, love about to divide. Oh, you beautiful strangers, you've haunted me. In my dreams and my thoughts, you will always be. So fleeting, so light yet deeply profound. Forever in my heart, my beautiful stranger. And if I missed my life, I think of those days, those stolen kisses, the hearts I left in the haze, those eyes I never saw again, yet still they shine. In the shadows of regret, I dream they're mine. Dear memories, those hopes that never came true. You showed me dreams, but I couldn't hold on to. A fragile joy slipping away like the breeze. Tomorrow I'll forget, but not with ease. When the weariness sets in, I summon your ghosts. Those absent lips, the hearts we've abandoned the most. To all the beautiful strangers I couldn't keep near, I mourn your lost shadows, your smiles that disappeared. Oh, you beautiful strangers, you've haunted me. In my dreams and my thoughts, you will always be. So fleeting, so light yet deeply profound. Forever in my heart, my beautiful stranger. Yeah, this is for you, queens of a moment. Like shooting stars we can never prevent, but you've left a mark somewhere in our lives. To all the beautiful strangers still alive. This is for you, queens of a moment, like shooting stars we can never prevent, but you've left a mark somewhere in our lives. To all the beautiful strangers, you're still alive.